Uncle Mark here. Welcome back. We're racing the weather. I'm not speeding, don't worry about that. But it looks like it might rain. It's cloudy out. I didn't expect that, and that's a good time to get some of these videos. I know there's a couple of old cars. I believe one of them is like the Plymouth we saw in a couple videos back. I'll put a link in the bottom here as to which one it was, and try and put a link at the top here, yes. If you want to take a look at that. Was that a 38? I think so. This might be a 39 if it's what they say it is. But I think it's got the headlight buckets part of the fender. Anyway, let's take a look. Hopefully we make it there in time. Somewhere in here. You wouldn't know it from here. But there's some stuff way in there. If we can get in there. It looks like there's an opening for us. Well, that's not bad. Wow. It's crunchy. Wow. Two of them. This is not. I think it's Plymouths or Dodges or something. Oh yeah. Kind of a neat color, whatever it is, bluey green or something. Take a look at the back of this trunk lid here and it's missing. I thought it would say something on there, Plymouth or Dodge or something. Those lights should give us a key. And it's missing some stuff. Huh. Floor's actually pretty good for sitting on the ground. Yep. Plymouth. Yay. Knew it was something like that. Oh, this floor's missing there. Roof's kind of got some holes in it from, I guess, just water sitting there too long. Kind of neat. Oh, fender's a little different than I thought. There's Plymouth again. I thought this was probably, 38 or 39. It's got to be newer with that front, like the nice two-door there. Wow. Maybe get that's probably an Oldsmobile or something. Take a closer look. Wow, look at that stainless steel, if that's what it is. It's like perfect. Huh, don't make them lad anymore. And it's P11. So P for Plymouth, I believe, and we saw the Plymouth sign on there before. This is going to be a 40 or 41, I'm thinking. This one says Dodge in there. That's the two-door. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I don't know if this is 39, 38. Oh, deer poop or something. Probably the only ones I've seen this for a while. This would be cool to have rotted up. Must have had a fire or something, because look, steering wheel is missing all the plastics, and the seat's missing all, well, I guess it's just old, but the floor's pretty bad. You take all that out anyway. Nothing left inside. Everything, lock mechanisms. This has got to be, it's not a 39 because they had a hood that was hinged, I think. This looks like, 38s had signals on top of the fender. So I think it's a 40. I believe so. Still be kind of neat. Oh, lock's still there. So it's got a lot more damage, maybe from just putting it here, I don't know, but everything's stripped out of it. Everything. Yeah, pretty cool. More of that stainless steel or whatever it is. It's dented, but no rust or nothing on it, huh? No, I guess that's why it's stainless, right? Pretty neat. Let's take a look over here. There's no fender tag or nothing like that to give us anything else about it. Pretty sure it's a 40. This What do I figure? It's probably an Olds or something like that. It's kind of neat. Big old headlights. Ooh, somebody took the roof off. Must have cut it for the metal. Nice color. Sticker head in here. Oh, lots of stuff missing. Was some gauges in there. Oh, it's not an Oldsmobile. I think it's a Nash there. It's like a Lafayette or maybe an Ambassador. Trunk lid's missing. Oh, split window back. That's neat. I think the trunk lid is right here. If I can grab it and pull it out, it's like, oh man, it's really stuck. Give her another couple pulls here. See, I don't see any. You need if it said Nash in there or something like that. I think it's a 37 or 38. 39 had was a little different. I'll snoop in here a little bit more too. We're gonna pop this off, move some of this stuff around. Nice and quiet, that door. It's amazing how some of this old stuff. Might have been a clock in that. That's what a little square is there. It's a Nash. Precision built. That's neat. Yeah. Yeah, it must have been a clock in the glove box. Now I see the front fenders here already. It's a 37 or 38. 39 had grills, I think, under the lights. This doesn't. And the 40s had newer style fenders. So this is, yeah, it's a little older, but 37 or 38. I don't know which one. Like I say, it's probably a Lafayette or an Ambassador, but it is a Nash. Not sure what this is. Maybe they ran a cable there to run the carb or something, or ran something else, and it just kind of wheeled on that. Pretty cool though. Neat color. Kind of a bluey, green bluey. Yeah, let's look back at this. Now, what if you say this was? I love that two-door. The four-door here, it's got to be a 41. That Nash is neat too. I was just thinking about this. If we look under here, oh, differential's missing. Gas tank's still there. And I was thinking, it has to be a 41 because these three creases here on this bottom of this fender, they didn't have them on the 40s, and the 42 are completely different looking car. So it's got to be a 41. But I could be corrected. Yeah, I guess that's going to be all of it, huh? Yeah, that's too bad it's missing the, well, oh, I got a twig stuck in my watch, so I'm getting through that. All this stuff slowly going back to the earth. See if we can get back to the vehicle now. Hopefully you like that. Love finding these old cars. This was perfect weather for this too. It's not a very long video, but we'll just leave those guys where they are there. Here, take a look. And, 4 twigs will go around them, and they'll just end up being nothing, I guess. Well, thanks for joining us. If you like the video, you can subscribe down here. Of course, I'll put some links in the description up here, and hopefully we can figure out what this was, what these are for sure, based on the year and make and model and all that kind of stuff. But thanks for joining us. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Check the channel out. And until next time, you and your family stay safe. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.